Welcome back to Zeronyte Security. This is day 29 of 100 days of Linux commands for cybersecurity. And today's command is file. The file command is used to identify the type of a file. Let's see how it works. First, I'll create a file int nose.txt. If I type file nose.txt and press enter, Linux identifies it as an empty file. Now let's look at another example. If I type file 1.jpg and press enter, Linux identifies it as JPEG image. Now let's change the file extension and see what happens. If I rename the file using amv 1.jpg, 1.txt and press enter, the file now has a .txt extension. Now let's check its file type again. If I type file 1.txt and press enter, Linux still identifies it as a JPEG image. That's because the file command checks the actual contents of the file, not just its file extension. So even if you rename a .jpg file to .txt, Linux can still recognize that it's really a JPEG image. Now you know how the file command identifies file types in Linux. So stay tuned for day 30 of Linux commands.